I'm out here with my son. You see what he's got? We had this old stove here, and he's decided to put it to use. He had to do a little bit to it though. It didn't have that big old long pipe on it. So it was just blowing your face, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It was about that high. All up in your face.
Yeah. But now it seems to be coming out the top. Look at that. Bird's over here. What you doing, girl? What you doing?
Playing on a tree stump.
You playing? Oh, and look, it's Latte. Tay. Little babies. Yeah, that's one way to get potash. It's good for the plants.
Yep. That's why we're doing it.
What? What is it? Oh, you're so loving. Until I stick my hands down there and you get me. Yeah, I know all about it.